everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. My name is Jason, and I am very happy to have you here with me. In this podcast, we will talk about something very important for learning English. The topic today is how to speak English daily without a partner. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they think it is impossible if they do not have someone to practice with. Today, I will show you that you can practice English alone every single day and still improve very fast. I will give you simple, easy-to-use tips and techniques that you can start using today. Even if you are a beginner, you will understand everything, and you can practice with me as we go. So, if you are ready to boost your English speaking skills, stay with me, because by the end of this podcast, you will know how to speak English every day without depending on anyone else. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about why it is so important to speak English every day. First, daily speaking helps you improve your fluency. Fluency means you can speak smoothly, without stopping too much. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become with words and sentences. Second, it helps with your pronunciation. When you practice every day, your mouth and tongue get used to the sounds of English. This makes your speaking sound more natural. Third, speaking daily builds confidence. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak English. But when you practice alone every day, you start to feel confident. You see your own progress, and this gives you courage to speak in front of others. Fourth, it helps you think in English. At the beginning, many people translate from their native language, which is slow and confusing. When you speak every day, your brain starts to think in English automatically. This is a very important step to becoming fluent. Finally, daily practice is a habit that brings long-term results. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day is better than practicing for 2 hours only once a week. Small daily practice is more powerful than occasional long practice. So, if you want to speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally speaking every day is not optional. It is a must. Next, we will talk about the biggest challenge many learners face, not having a speaking partner. But don't worry, I will show you how to solve this problem easily. Now, let's talk about a very common problem: not having a speaking partner. Many learners think I cannot practice English because I have no one to talk to. Maybe your friends or family do not speak English. Maybe you are shy to speak in front of others. This is very normal, and almost every learner faces this challenge. But here is the good news. You do not need a partner to practice English. Yes, you can practice alone and still improve a lot. The key is to use different self-practice techniques. You can talk to yourself, read aloud, record your voice, or even use apps and online tools. These methods can help you speak English daily, just like you would with a real partner. The important thing is to stop waiting for the perfect situation. Many learners wait for someone to practice with, but time passes and they do not improve. The best way is to start practicing today, alone. In the next section, I will give you practical ways to speak English alone. These methods are simple, fun, and very effective. So let's move on and see how you can start practicing immediately. Now, let's talk about the most important part: practical ways to speak English alone. These are easy methods you can use every day without needing a partner. 1. Talking to yourself 2 minutes. One of the simplest ways to practice is talking to yourself. Yes, it might feel strange at first, but it works. For example, in the morning you can describe what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am eating breakfast. I am going to work. You can also describe what you see around you. The sky is blue today. The flowers are very beautiful. Talking to yourself helps you practice speaking naturally and builds your confidence. Try to speak slowly at first, and then gradually speak faster. 2. Reading aloud 1.5 minutes. Reading English aloud is very useful. You can read books, news, or even simple stories online. When you read aloud, pay attention to pronunciation. Say each word clearly. Intonation. Use the natural rise and fall of your voice. Pacing. Do not rush. Speak smoothly. Reading aloud trains your mouth and your brain to get used to English sounds. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day can make a big difference. 3. Shadowing technique. 1.5 minutes. Shadowing is a very powerful technique. It means listening to English and repeating at the same time. For example, you can listen to a short podcast, YouTube video, or audio lesson, repeat exactly what you hear, trying to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. This technique helps you speak more naturally, improve pronunciation. Think in English. Start with short sentences and then move to longer ones as you get better. 4. Recording yourself. 1.5 minutes. Another very effective way is recording your voice. You can record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, listen to it carefully. Ask yourself, are my words clear? Is my pronunciation correct? Can I speak more smoothly next time? Recording yourself helps you see your mistakes, and when you correct them, you improve much faster. 5. Using technology. 1.5 minutes. Technology can be a great partner. You can use apps that help you practice English-speaking AI chatbots to have conversations in English voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant to practice questions and answers. These tools allow you to practice anytime, even if no one is around. 6. Storytelling and describing things. 2 minutes. Finally, you can practice by making up short stories or describing things. For example, describe your last weekend. Talk about your favorite food. Tell a short story about your day. You can also describe things around you. The room is big. The chair is red. The sun is shining. This helps you think in English, use new words, and speak fluently. Jason. Wrap-up of section. So, these are 6 practical ways to speak English alone. Talk to yourself. Read aloud. Use the shadowing technique. Record yourself. Use technology. Tell stories and describe things. If you practice these methods every day, your speaking will improve quickly, even without a partner. In the next section, I will show you how to create a simple daily routine for your English practice, so you can stay consistent and improve faster. Now that we know practical ways to speak English alone, the next step is to create a daily routine. A routine helps you practice regularly, so speaking English becomes a habit. You don't need to spend hours every day. Even 15 to 30 minutes is enough if you are consistent. Here is an example of a simple daily routine. Morning, 5 to 10 minutes. Talk to yourself about your plans for the day. For example, today I will go to the market. I will buy vegetables and fruits. Afternoon, 5 to 10 minutes. Read aloud a short story, news article, or English passage. Focus on pronunciation and fluency. Evening, 5 to 10 minutes. Record yourself speaking. You can tell a story about your day, describe your surroundings, or answer simple questions in English. Then, listen to your recording and notice areas to improve. You can also add shadowing with English podcasts or videos during any free time. The key is consistency. It's better to practice every day for a short time than a long session once a week. Small steps every day lead to big improvements over time. Remember, your goal is progress, not perfection. Some days you will speak very well, and some days you may make mistakes. That is okay. The important thing is to keep practicing daily. With this routine, you will slowly build fluency, confidence, and comfort in speaking English, all by practicing alone. Even when learners practice English daily, they sometimes make common mistakes. Let's talk about them so you can avoid them. 1. Being afraid of mistakes. Many learners feel shy or scared to speak because they might make errors. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn and improve. Don't let fear stop you. 2. Speaking too slowly or translating. Some learners try to translate everything from their native language. This makes speaking slow and unnatural. Try to think in English, not translate. 3. Skipping daily practice. Some learners practice for a few days, then stop. This slows progress. Consistency is more important than long practice. Even 15 minutes every day is better than a long session once a week. 4. Not reviewing themselves. Many learners speak, but never listen to themselves. Recording your voice and checking mistakes is very important. This helps you correct errors and improve faster. Avoiding these mistakes will make your daily practice more effective and help you speak English confidently, even without a partner. Now, let's talk about motivation and mindset. Learning English alone can feel challenging sometimes, but the right mindset will help you keep going. First, believe in yourself. You can improve your English by practicing every day, even without a partner. Confidence grows with practice, so keep speaking, even if you make mistakes. Second, be patient. Learning a language takes time. Do not expect perfect speaking overnight. Celebrate small improvements, like saying a sentence correctly or learning a new word. Third, make practice fun and interesting. Talk about things you like, your hobbies, favorite food, or movies. When you enjoy speaking, you will naturally practice more. Fourth, remember your goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to speak English? Keep this goal in mind every day. It will motivate you to practice even when you feel tired or busy. With a positive mindset, daily practice will not feel like a chore. It will feel like a step toward your goal, and every small effort will bring you closer to fluency. Now, let's do a quick practice together. This will help you start speaking English immediately, even without a partner. I will give you some simple exercises. Speak out loud and follow me. Exercise 1. Describe your morning, say. This morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went for a walk. Exercise 2. Talk about your favorite food. Say, my favorite food is rice and vegetables. I like it very much. I eat it at lunch and dinner. Exercise 3. Describe your last weekend. Say, last weekend, I went to the park. I saw many flowers and trees. I felt happy. Great. If you want, you can repeat these exercises every day or make your own sentences. The more you speak, the faster you improve. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Speaking is practice, not perfection. Keep talking, and your English will become stronger every day. Before we finish today's podcast, let's quickly review the key points. Speak English every day, even if you are alone. Daily practice is the most important step to improve fluency and confidence. You can practice without a partner by talking to yourself, reading aloud, shadowing, recording your voice, using apps, and telling stories. Create a simple routine and practice consistently. Small steps every day are better than long practice once a week. Avoid common mistakes, like being afraid of mistakes, translating from your native language, skipping practice, or not reviewing yourself. Stay positive, patient, and motivated. Celebrate small improvements and enjoy your English practice. Remember, speaking English alone is not a problem. With the right methods, mindset, and consistency, you can speak confidently and fluently, even without a partner. Start practicing today, and you will see improvement very soon. Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast. I hope you found these tips useful and that you feel ready to speak English every day, even without a partner. Remember, the key is practice, consistency, and a positive mindset. Start small, stay motivated, and keep speaking. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to come back for the next podcast, where we will continue to help you improve your English step by step. Have a great day. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Goodbye.